Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about a super alignment trick on your Canva on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So this is an important trick you just need to know while just using the Canva. It will be more useful if you're a designer. For an example, here I'm just going to take a square shape or anything like that. So I just pick the shape here. So just going to change this color to the red. Then I just resize this shape and just make a copy here and just going to copy this and just place wherever it is needed. For example, have a lot of them copy. So just place the shapes in different direction like this. And I just need to align this shape. For an example, so here I have placed three rows and 4 columns. So I just need to align this. Instead of aligning one by one, just select all, just right click here, and you have this option called, first select the element, right click here, and you have this option called align the element. So now you have the two options, or you can see it's left aligned. So if you just need to align space evenly, you have this option called space evenly. Click on this option. It's have the two and other option like vertical or horizontal. I tidy up. Click on this. It automatically arrange every shapes and align the shapes on your design. It's so useful if you are just a designer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.